Hello guys, today I have this 2-in-1 double blade beard and body trimmer. Let me go ahead and unbox it and let me show you what comes inside. Okay, so this is how it comes right here. Okay, it does have a little base right here so that way you can actually stand your trimmer or shaver. Okay, it does have an LED system and an LED itself so that way you can actually see better what you are cutting. Okay, it does have a locking mechanism where if you press and hold for 5 seconds, it will actually activate that locking mechanism. So that way, if you press it, it doesn't start working. This is great for traveling. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it right there. It is Type-C compatible, okay? It does include a Type-C cable, okay? So it's a Type-C to a USB-A. It also includes a comb, okay, right here that, will help you just in case you don't want to shave completely. By inserting this, we'll actually leave it a little bit longer, okay? It does have, multiple heads right here. It does have the regular blade right here for cutting, okay? And the foil blade right here, okay? Now, this one is completely safe. I'm actually touching it with my hand, just like that, okay? And, it's actually, let me take my microphone off, okay? Here we go. You can actually use it to shave your body just like that, you can use this, for your private parts, and you can rest assured that you're not going to be cutting yourself. Now, this is completely waterproof. You can actually take this to the shower and, start shaving your body. Also, it does have this indicator right here of how much battery it has left. On a full charge, you can actually run it about 120 minutes. And something that I wanted to show you is that, how simple is changing the heads right here. I just detached the other one and I'm going to insert this one. That's simple. I already made that change. And now this one is going to go ahead and make much precision cuts. Okay, you can use it to cut your sides right here. There we go. Okay, and also it's safe, it's not going to cut you. Okay, you can use this, to actually do your armpits. The light that goes right here, it's going to illuminate, whatever place you're actually cutting right there, which is very, very great. Okay, you can go ahead and just put it on your bathroom just like that, and that way you can have it handy all the time. I like this base. Now the compact form of this, can actually be stored anywhere, for travel purposes. So I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I really want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.